to set up a Facebook live streaming that will go viral. So in this tutorial, we'll go right there to know how we can set up a live streaming that will go viral. There are a lot of features that most of us are not using that doesn't let our Facebook live streaming to go viral. So in this tutorial, let's go right there. I'm going to show you all the features that is there that you probably don't know that will make your live streaming go viral. Check out. Let's go right there. How to set up a Facebook live that will go viral. When you're on your page like this, then all you need to do is to switch to this mode. Then you click on this live. Can you see, guys? You click on live. Yes, then you switch the camera. You can rotate the camera. Can you see? You can rotate the camera so that you'll be able to see my face, right? Because most of us have been doing the live streaming setup wrongly. Reason why our live streaming is not going viral. So let me take you through the usefulness of all this. Probably on your phone, if you have a flash, so that you turn it on, so that light will shine on you. Can you see? Then you toggle it back to switch it off. And of course, this is my microphone. Okay, you can listen and hear me clearly right now. Okay, but if I switch it off, I'm sure you are not hearing me. So you turn it on, now you can hear me loud and clear. So this is where you can toggle in and out your camera. If you want to switch to the back view, can you see my ring light? Then I can switch it back to my face. All right, you can as well set stickers, effects, and all that. And one important thing is to add description of your live. So if you click, can you see add description? So if I click on it, okay, you'll be able to write the description for your live video. Okay, let's say my live streaming test. Okay, let's just put it like that. So that is what you're gonna write. Then after you've done, then you click on done. Okay, then if you actually check here, coming guys, so this will give your user the description of what your live is all about. Okay, then after setting all that, you can as well share to your story. You can check the settings. Mine is on, so that whenever you finish, okay, the live streaming, it will automatically be posted on your live. The another thing that you need to check here is all these that are here. This one is when your page is monetized. If you click on it, it's saying StreamYard setup. Mine application is still on review, guys. So reason why I cannot put advertisement in my live video. All right, let me go back. All right, then let me switch back to my face so that you'll be able to see me right now. All right, then you can make use of all these tools that are here. Okay, if you want to ask question and answer, you use this. Then if you want to share a particular link, can you see you can add links to your videos, then your saved link, so that when people are watching, you said, okay, let's go and click so link, they'll be able to go there directly. So that is the essence. So when you are done, you click done, so that it will go back to normal. So the essence of all this feature right here, this one is for monetization, to put ads on your live stream. This one is for you to ask questions like poll, maybe a question and answer. You want them to click A and B, then your viewers will be able to vote. So these are very nice features on your Facebook live streaming that you can use at any time to enhance your live streaming, so that your live streaming will go viral. All right, then when you are done with whatever you want to set up, then you can click on go live. 1 2 3 boom. So we are live. Facebook will keep taking us to the viewers high. So when you want to finish, you click on this icon, finish. So you are ending your live broadcast, meaning you can pause. Then one thing is that When you get here, you can choose if you want your video to be available for 30 days. Then after the 30 days, it will be deleted. There, you check here. Then your live streaming will
Hello
be,
guys, welcome
to my live streaming
for 30.
So this option will let your video to be available for the maybe 30 days, 6 months, or never to be deleted. But this time around, I want my video to be available. I don't want to delete it. This is where you check this last option, never delete. Okay, so when you check the option never delete, your video will be available for as long as your Facebook is live on Facebook. So you just check it, post now, then you'll be able to post your video. Okay,
there you have it, how to set up a live streaming that will go viral. Find this video useful, share to your friends and family, guys. I'll see you on the next tutorial.